Wuke pacho ka otieno manyoro ka gichomo piny Morocco kama gidhi bedo gi tuke ariyo mag osiep. Harambee Stars nyobago rako mogik motelo ne wuok ka gidhi Morocco. Gidhi rakore gi Chad tarik 7 kod tarik 10 dweni e piny Morocco. Kocha Benny McCarthy owacho ni omor gi rang'iny mar tugo mar Harambee Stars osechope, kowacho ni tuke ariyogo dhi konye e ng'eyo jotuke maber moloyo.
So I'm excited for the two games to give the boys actually a run of competitive matches. So yeah, we look forward to the 7th and the 10th. I think it's probably more for matches. I think trainings is completely different. You get players who train really well, and then come the match day, then you get something different. So, but listen, I've been impressed by every player that's been so far in the camp. They all work hard. They all do what is expected of them.
Imekale kwa akaia sijakuwa kwa nini kwa call up, but vile nilireceive nilishukuru sana, nimerudi kwa national team. Training na imekuwa fun. First experience yetu na mimi na yangu personal na imekuwa poa. Na tuna look forward hiyo experience ikuwe more better kuendelea mbele. Na in hizi game friendlies mbele zinakam na personally ni give my best na at least to prepare kama as a team to prepare maybe tournament na kuja mbele.
Everybody is willing to work and give the best for the country. Of course, is to encourage them to use their strong points, to take risks so that they can show their qualities and help the team to get positive results.